Electrical circuit analysis or circuit analysis subject or circuit that is subject. Anna University syllabus, Unit 1. Dot syllabus, Unit 2nd. In this video, we see different model of circuit mesh current method. We apply Kirchhoff's voltage law on Ohm's law. Kirchhoff's voltage law says the algebraic sum of the voltage around a closed circuit is 0. Ohm's law says V is IR. Previous classes I explained how to form mesh matrix. In this method we form mesh matrix. The circuit consists of 3 meshes. Circuit. Man Engineering welcomes you all. The circuit shown in figure. Determine the current through the 5 ohm resistor and the power supply by the sources using mesh current. I5 ohm we find out and power supply using mesh current. In this method we found out. Put mesh 1, mesh 2 and mesh 3. Assume mesh current I1, I2 and I3 directions. Mesh 1 contain 3 and 4 and 3 ohm. 3 plus 4. And mesh 2 contain 2, 3 and 5 ohm. 2, 5 plus 3 plus 2. Mesh 3 contain 2 and 5 plus 3. So 5 plus 3 plus 2. 1 and 2 common element. 3. Put minus 3. Minus for common element. 2 and 3 common element 5. So put minus 5. And 2 and 3 common element 3. So put minus 3. Mesh 1 voltage is minus 2 plus. That is rise. Left side put minus sign. Right side put plus. Consider I1 direction. Consider I2 direction. Mesh 2 9 volts supply is minus 2 plus. Left side put minus and right side put plus sign 9. Mesh 3 no voltage supply 0. Input voltage matrix. Using matrix mathematical function. Find out inverse matrix value, determine value, cofactor matrix value and matrix multiplications. Determine A value is find out 480 and cofactor value find out. Finally find I1, I2, I3 using mathematical matrix function. In this method we use mesh 1, mesh 2, mesh 3, assume mesh current I1, I2, I3, form mesh matrix, apply KVL law and Ohm's law. We find out matrix method using mathematical function ND. We find out I1, I2 and I3 values. I5 ohm is 5 ohm resistance across 5 ohm resistance to the current is dependent upon I2 and I3. So I5 ohm is I2 minus I3. Circuit shown in that 5 ohm resistance is dependent upon the current I2 mesh current and I3 mesh current. So I5 ohm is I2 minus I3. Using mathematical function we find I1 is 1.031, I2 is 2.08 ampere, I3 is 1.481 ampere. I5 ohm. Question circuit given found out 5 ohm resistor and power supply by the sources using mesh current. I5 ohm is I2 minus I3. Put I2 and I3 values 2.08 minus 1.481 0.599, that is 0.6 ampere. I5 ohm is we found out from calculation 0.6A, that is mesh current method, and power supply by the sources using mesh current. Solution is P9 volt, that is power 9 volt is IV. VI formula using I2 into 9 volt, that is 2.08 I2 into 9. P12 volt, that is power 12 volt is I1 mesh current into 12 volt supply, that is 1.031 into 12 is equal to 12.372 volt. In this method we apply power supply formula as capital VI, that is voltage into current. Power supply by the source using mesh currents is P is VI. In this method we use matrix mesh method and Address multiplication method. I5 ohm is find out from circuit and P9 volts and P12 volt find out. Man engineering, thank you.